It's been 3 weeks since my last update on our backyard renovation and building my dream outdoor space, and today we are finally getting the concrete countertops installed in the outdoor kitchen. The vibes for the backyard are very Nancy Meyers inspired, and here's some inspo pictures for the countertop on the barbecue. Initially, I thought that we'd be able to DIY this part of the project, but we ultimately decided to leave this job to a professional since we didn't have enough confidence in our skills or the time to dedicate to this project to do it ourselves. Started by installing the hardy backer around the grill and built some concrete forms around the perimeter. Not sure why they sprinkled sand all over it, but they did. They installed a lot of internal support before pouring the concrete, and it dried for a few days before they came back to start the polishing process. The polishing alone took about 8 hours to complete to give it that smooth satin countertop finish. Polishing alone took about 8 hours to complete, and this is definitely a step you shouldn't skip because this is what gives it that smooth satin countertop finish. I'm obsessed with how it turned out. In total, it took about 4 days to complete from start to finish, and next up we're going to be adding the brick siding. So be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovation.